Thank you, Pauline.
You thought it was breakfast?
A little bit shorter than mine. I'll raise this up. Yes, Pauline, I was born in South Africa when I was very young. I grew up sailing small yachts, and then I bought a big yacht. And I thought I'll sail it across the Atlantic Ocean, and first place I bumped into was down in Grenada, and here I'm stuck. But loving it. The boat that brought me across, as all sailors would know, you tend to love your boat. It becomes your, my girlfriend calls my second wife. So it's just a spoof on play on words on some sailing and what it is to sail across the ocean. For those of you that aren't sailors, there's quite a few sailors here, but for those that aren't sailors, just a couple of terms. When I talk about a sheet is not what you sleep under on a boat. A sheet is a rope that you pull to control the sails. So that's what a sheet is. When I talk about a backstay, it's those things that hold the mast up. When I talk about a winch handle, that's the one that grinds and turns and tightens the sail. Yeah, there are a few terms, but anyway, let's go. So on my night ship sailing across the Atlantic, I often thought about the boat because you're surrounded by the boat. So the title is, why is a yacht a she and not a he? They say sailing is romantic. It floats your boat, it tickles your fancy. Yes, you may say, it's a tad romancy. So ready your yacht, find your winning crew, prepare to tighten the backstay, tighten your foreplay. Anchor away, what may she say when your hook breaks cover? Will she pull the duvet back over? The rusty, crusty engine you engage, but it coughs and splutters its age. More oil she begs, so you fumble amongst legs, spreading some lube. Excuse this prose, if it may seem too crude. But as every sailor should know, maintenance on a boat is rather slow. Always a tight corner, find a hole, weaving your tool like a lost mole. Time to raise the sails before any further fails. Insert your winch handle, tighten the sheet, hoping pleasure and speed will in harmony meet. Trim, tweak, main and genoa, as she rises and falls, faster and slower. Peak to trough, each wave a shudder. Just keep control, don't lose your rudder. Suddenly a gust, and over she heels, shrieks of pleasure and tremor as she squeals. How far can she go? How, I don't know. So it is time to steer the ship to shore. But blow me down, she wants more. So you yank a rope and shake a reef, hoping your pride and joy doesn't come to grief. Beating up wind at 30 degrees, you release the sheet. Beating up wind at 30 degrees, she begins to quiver at her knees. Faster, no slower, deeper, no shallower. She is now in the hands of a master mariner. Suddenly she breaches the peak of a wave. You release the sheet, since it is your all you gave. Back to level decks. Man, she says, that was great. Turn down wind, and now ride with the swell. Back to reality, so on Facebook she can tell, I have found my sailor and his yacht. Oh, my cockpit, he is so hot. But the years flow by, barnacles proliferate, and so the sailor and his yacht depreciate. Down south, his spinnaker pole begins to sag, and his performance begins to lag. Some may say his screw has lost its thrust, so she does as any lady must. Like a hurricane, she gives one last blow, and then leaves with his house, his car, and his kids in tow, leaving only his yacht, now too small and slow. So beware as you fare. Yachts do bulge with romance, but she makes no sense in the realm of finance. You may say sailing is also like life. It has highs and lows, ebbs and flows, lulls and blows, speeds and slows. And so why do men love ladies and boats? Nobody knows. Yet it is clear for all to glean why a yacht is lovingly referred to as she and not he. Thank you.